Good morning children, welcome to Sri Vijayaramam Academics. Today in this video I am talking about only important question answers in the lesson 1 food. Okay, so the first important question answer is, anywhere in any exam they will ask you the importance of water. Okay, what is the water importance? I already explained you in lesson 1 food, no? But then in the last again I will tell you. First we will go into the question answers. Why do you need food? Tell me children, why do you need food? You need energy. We need food because the food gives you energy, and the food also helps you to grow. It helps you to fight diseases and stay healthy. That's it. If you write these 3 points, you'll get full marks. Next, what is a balanced diet? This is the second question. So what is a balanced diet? A diet that gives you nutrients in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. Okay, if you write this, that's enough. Next, name the 4 groups into which the food items are divided. How does this help us? Okay, so what are those 4 groups children? They are, the first is protein group, second one milk group, vegetable and fruit group, then cereal group. So these are the 4 groups. Okay, how does this help us? This help us to become strong, give us energy and become energetic and healthy. That is the point you should write. That's it. Yes, why must children eat food rich in proteins? Children, why must children eat food rich in protein? This is the 4th question. Okay, what is the answer for this? Everything is given in the textbook only. See, you should write, proteins are the nutrients that help us to grow. So that's why when they also help us to repair the damaged parts of your body. So that is why they are called body building nutrients. That is why children need lot of proteins. That's the reason the children must eat food rich in proteins. You should keep all these sentences in proper order in point wise, then you will get full marks. Okay, now the next 5th question, name 3 substances that can be added to food to preserve it. When I am discussing the lesson only, I told you, no children, what are those 3 substances? Yes, those are the substances that can be added. Those substances which can be added to food to preserve it are, what are they? Yes, correct, sugar, salt and oil, because they slow down the growth of germs. That is the reason they are added to the foods to preserve them for a long time. That is the answer for this 5th question. Okay, now importance of water will be given everywhere. In the objectives it is given, in the question answers it is given, in the short answer questions it is given. That's why I will tell you the importance of water, because everywhere they will ask you. So what about water? Yeah, some children doesn't like to drink water only. That is not good. I already told you should drink lots and lots of water to be healthy. Okay, so our body needs a sufficient amount of water to stay healthy, and water helps the body to digest food, absorb nutrients properly and get rid of waste. So because our body is 2/3 of our body is covered, of the weight is covered with water only. That is why, because we need 3 liters of water every day children. That is the importance of water. Means 3 liters means from the food you are getting, already I discussed you 1 liter, and separately you should drink 2 liters. That means 8 glasses of water if you drink, it is enough. Okay, this is the important questions in the first lesson. Like this only, after end of the like every ending of the each lesson, after I finish one lesson in this 4th grade, because you are small children, I will give you the important question answers so that it is easy for you to read. After you listen to my video, see the video, then read the textbook point wise, everything you read, and then you take these question answers into consideration, read them enough, you will get full marks. Okay, and now I am showing this textbook. I am following these children. This is CBSE textbook, New Science Ahead. Please buy this. If you have this, it's good. Follow this and get full marks. All the best to you. Okay, and thank you. Have a nice day. I'll be back with the second lesson, digestion.